with another video. My car is hella dirty today, so we're gonna be giving it a wash. And I haven't washed it in about, I think, 2 months. It might be longer than that, but guys, cut me some slack. I've been hella busy. Let's get her a wash today and let's make this thing look brand new again. Alright guys, it's like an hour later, but we got the car clean. I stopped recording like through the first process because I was just trying to lock in, get it done real quick before the sun went down. But I think we did a pretty good job. She looks pretty good, not gonna lie. One issue though, we do have like the smallest bit of water spots on the front hood. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. And I don't know what to do about that. Let me know in the comments if I should like hit it with some polish or like, I don't know. So now let's take it for a drive, get all the rust off the rotors because this car is gonna be sitting for a few days. So let's get it ready to just sit, I guess. We're just letting the car warm up now. As soon as it gets warm, we can start driving. I didn't get to clean the interior today, but she's still pretty clean. I don't really get the interior too dirty, so it's really the outside that gets dirty because it rains and stuff. Other than that, yeah, we're chilling. And I'll stop at this one spot so we can get some cinematics of the car and I can show y'all how clean we got it this time. Gion got the best cleaning supplies in the game. Make sure I'll go in the description and check them out. They got cleaning products for pretty much anything you need, even if you have frozen paint or like wrap or anything like that. Big shout out Gion.
Puffin' and blunt, I'm up his face, I'm high as fuck. Chrome hard on my teeth, my bitch know I'm really by my stuff. I bought a 4x4 whip, I'm driving it, bitch, like I don't give no fuck. All of my hoes, they bold as fuck. This ice on me get colder, wet. Yeah, ain't nothing new. I've been up in this shit for 4 years. Crashed a Bentley coupe, I just bought another one, ain't shed no tear. Yeah, coming up, I wasn't afraid to lose, I ain't had no fears. Yeah, up there, bitch. Made him run, I gave that boy some feels. Shawty from Cancun, I just hit this hoe from the real. Did it and quit it. She kept on calling, no bitch, I wanna see her. Me and the mob, we after them beans. We finna go outside and teal. Oh my god, teal. Big prints on me, all blue faces. Hoes in the crib, it's on the faces. Comb on my neck, I'm stainless. Fuck that talk, I'm way too dangerous. Home a demon, I hit the gas on the option, legal screaming. All designer taste, I be walking that bitch, I'm fucking gleaming. Told her hit the floor, now she leaning. Big racks in the bank. Big racks in the bank, and now
Alright boys, the car is clean and she's ready to go. I'm gonna pack her up for a few days while I go to Oklahoma and visit some family, but she's all good to go. When we come back, we're gonna get active.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we're back a few days later. We got Al's hood off the car and it's finally getting painted. Damn. Yeah, that looks amazing. This is today's installment, chat. We're gonna get this hood prepped and ready to go in the paint booth, hopefully maybe tomorrow.
No, it's going in the paint booth tonight.
Oh, it's going in the paint booth tonight. Yeah. Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off.
Yeah.
Show me wax on, wax off.
Alright, Al. I want to show you a car that I was looking at the other day. Sheesh.
That's nasty.
Look at the interior, bro.
You got the Rain M colors.
M Rains.
Yeah.
And then the 6-speed, they got the shifter boot. Got the e-brake. Roll cage.
Yeah, it's sick.
And then wait for it. This is the best part. Ready? AP Racing. In the trunk, them bitches there.
Oh no, MCS is.
MCS, right? Yeah. Guess how much they're asking for this car?
Oh.
Just guess. It has 55,000 miles on it.
70,000?
55?
55,000?
Yeah. And that's considered high price for the market. And guys, look over here. We got F80 John's lip. He's getting this paint matched. And then we got F82 Jad. Mr. Jadloff with the Imola Red Heritage Edition. He's getting this paint match. Alright guys, look, we got the two white demons. John's been hesitating to put his airbag cover in.
Oh my god.
I'm just like, bro, like, are you serious? Why the fuck did you buy it?
John, stop being so scared.
Bro, he's scared of everything. I swear. Bro, you know what he texted us in the group chat the other day?
Huh.
He was like, guys, I did one big mod to the car.
What was it?
Key batteries.
Hell no.
He was like, I think I can do the crank up next.
Oh shit. Here we go. John's a demon.
Yeah. Guys, look at this Huracan. So sick. The wing and everything's getting repaired right now, so. Look at the dash, bro. It's got Alcantara all the way up here where you would never see it, and the full leather all the way down. Here we are with the master at work. Oh shit. On camera, that one looks spot on. Probably a mix, huh?
Yeah. It's hard because I don't have much of an area right here to check.
Bringing out the big scanner tool.
Standard?
Uh-huh.
Just add a tad bit of yellow to it because there's these two, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this one's slightly yellower.
Yeah.
So it's very close to this, but at an angle, this looks a little bit closer. And the difference between these two is probably going to be yellow oxide.
We're in the paint room. Can y'all hear us? It might be loud because of the exhaust fan. We're gonna cook this batch of paint up and I'll get back to y'all.
Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji. Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh, hey.
Cooking the paint in a crock pot.
Gotta mix all them spices in there.
Yeah. You got some Cajun seasoning in that bit too? We got it in here. Bro's about to just tape everything up. He wants to tape off this backside, and then we're gonna hit it with some paint. So I think he's about to start spraying the primer. Are y'all ready? Yo, he's spraying the primer. Yeah, hit it with that primer, cuh. Even coverage. Shush. I don't know if y'all can tell from here, but the gloss is immaculate.
Cut this shit up like shit. 100 solo on rhythm. The king of the